Here's Superfan app, and when you created your account, you just need to log in your Spotify. You can just tap jump in, then basically just enter your name, and then your profile pic is imported from Spotify, and then show me. And then you can see vibe this week. So this vibe was generated by AI. You will get a new one each week. So that's basically it just sees your Spotify listening history and then generates AI kind of text based on that. Your vibe and recap update every week. The next one is coming in sometime. So that's basically the idea, and that's the app. It's pretty cool idea, I guess. It's you'll get Friday drop notifications, so every Friday you will just get it like this, and then you have this vibe, and then you will see top songs, top albums, and then yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know how to share it. Can you share it? But yeah, how it works. So that's how it works. And then also you can create group to see what your friends are listening to. And then you can just invite other members, delete group, and invite either via messages or copy a link and just invite your friends to this group. And you will see different vibes for your friends and just how it works. So that's basically the idea of the app.